I have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard in here and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of lemon juice and about a teaspoon of chopped rosemary. We have an oven preheating at 400 degrees, guys. That's 400 Fahrenheit, 200 centigrade, okay? As you can see, I have 3 pieces of salmon here. They do have the skin and they're skinned down, and I'm putting them on top of a lined, I lined my pan with aluminum foil just for cleaning purposes. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on each one. And I'm gonna season them with salt and pepper. Not too much salt because we're putting mustard on this, okay? All right, I'm gonna spoon the sauce on each one of these, and I wanna brush it on. I'll see you when it's cooked. This was in the oven for about 15 minutes. I like my fish to be medium rare. You can leave it in there up to 20 minutes if you want. Depends on how cooked you want it. I'm gonna let it sit here for about 5 minutes before I dig in. All right, here is our fish ready to eat. Just gonna add a little more lemon. And let's check it out. Oh my gosh. This is pretty much perfect for me, guys. It's still shiny inside, it's flaky, so it's cooked, and it's not dry. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yummy. And those flavors with the mustard and the maple, really, really, really nice. Such an easy meal and great. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.